Hello everybody, welcome. Today we came back with another news theme in Iran. If you want to travel to Iran, you need to book your hotel in advance. But as you know, due to the banking sanction on Iran, it is not possible to use your credit card and Visa card here. So, if you want to book your hotel, we provide you a platform, an online platform which allows you to book your hotel and accommodation in advance. Today, I want to tell you that how you can book your hotel in Iran in advance and also check the hotel, check the availability of the hotel, and pay everything online and receive the voucher, which is very important. Okay, now let's go through the website and check it out. The name of the website is www. Let me record this uh, the screen. Wait a moment, please. Uh, okay. Okay. The name of the hotel. The name of the website. The name of the website is www.okaybooking.com, and you can get the website, go through the website, and like every other international website in the world, just go to the where part. For example, go to the Tehran, check-in date. For example, just let's go for 16 to, for example, 17, and then press the search button. You can see the wide range of the hotel in Tehran. Tehran Remis Hotel, Tehran Spinas Hotel, Tehran Grand Hotel, Iran Shah Hotel, and for example, just let's go to just one of them, like Iran Shah Hotel, for example. Just press the book. Of course, you can use the filter and everything on the left menu. The online chat is very important. You can, if you have any question right away, you can ask the question, and our people in our team are always available, and they can reply your question. And you can check the availability of the hotel, price of the hotel here, and description. Read the description. The main important thing is the location. Check the location of the hotel, the address, and be sure that you are looking for the same thing, the exact thing that you wanted. And of course, the things to do, and it will offer you something that you can do it in the city. It's the same thing like every other hotel in the world. And then in the availability part, okay, let's go back. Just let's say you are two people. Just select the date, and actually we already have checked the date. So two people, one room, and the extra items. In the extra item, if you need an airport transfer, or if you need the interpreter, or extra bed you need it, you can just easily just check, for example, one, and it will be added to your bill. So visa, if you need visa to Iran, you can just apply it easy from here, from the same menu. Just for example, now it is the total is 484. If you just check one visa, the visa, it will be included, so it will be 104, and just we don't need it, so let's forget about this one, and then press the proceed. Okay, here you will be directly go to the cart and just check the items that you asked for. Tehran Iran Shah Hotel, Iran Shah double room, date November 16 to November 17, two people, one room. Okay, proceed to the checkout, and when you press it, you will be directed to the contact information. Okay, just let's go for my contact. Ahmad Jannati FFC @gmail.com, and
You will choose your country, your first name, your last name, and your city, and just write down the address, for example, Azadiya Square, and the postal code. The phone number is optional, and payment option. Generally, if you place the order, you will receive a link through your email, and from that link you can do the payment with your MasterCard, Visa card. Just in case, if you cannot, if you couldn't pay it through the with your MasterCard, if for some reason you don't have MasterCard, we also accept Bitcoin, Tether, and all the cryptocurrencies. And beside all, the PayPal account also we have, and you can ask us for the PayPal account with our email or with an online chat. You can ask for the PayPal account. Our expert will provide you PayPal account, and then you can send them the receipt, and then you can place the order. Okay, just let's continue. When you place the order, you can see that you will go to the next one. They will ask you to get saved. No thanks. Okay, order received, done. Very easy. Now you will just need to check your email, and from email do the payment and receive the voucher. Well, very easy, wasn't it? The another thing is that with okaybooking.com you can also use your mobile phone, as it is a mobile friendly website, and you can easily book your hotel with your mobile, very easy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our team. We are always available 24 hours in 7 days of the week. And if you have any question, feel free to contact us, and you can directly contact me, and we try our best to provide you a memorable service, a memorable journey to Iran. Thanks for your consideration.